Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. Hey guys, Justin and I are back together out on his range. We had to mow it. It was literally like this tall before we got started because it's been a couple months since I've even seen the knucklehead. Finally, Justin and I are getting ready for our first video in a couple months, and as you can see, our shooting range is a little overgrown. But hey, we are back together with some more tombstone body armor. So what we got here is some shark tooth body armor. Okay, these aren't shark teeth, but these are in the center. I put some real shark teeth in here. These are ceramic tumbling stones. And I thought this would be a pretty cool video to try out with our own ceramic body armor. I'm thinking by the end of this video, RTS is just gonna be going, man, we've got to hire those guys. They're awesome. They make 15-pound, 3-inch thick body armor. That screams quality there, folks. All right, enough BS. But this is what we're gonna shoot at it today. We have these really cool ceramic slugs. Now these were the same that Ballisticsmasher shot. The same guy sent them to us and he wants us to try them out, so we did. We had a friend John load them. Right now we loaded them in low brass. We want to see what it's going to do because it is a rifled shotgun, so it should help out a lot. And also he kind of loaded them by weight, and these are a lot lighter than a lead slug. So we're going to see how those bad boys do. Then we got these hornety freaking little missiles. I don't know what is in these slugs, but you can look them up. They're pretty cool slugs. These should be going fairly fast. Then we got Black Ace's Tactical. Really like these slugs. These things, let's say, they have them right here on the side at 1,640 feet per second. That's gonna be really cool. All right, the last one we got for you is, you guys have seen these before. These are the API of shotgun rounds right here. Has a nice sparkle fart to it when it hits. Hits with some serious force. And we will see if our tombstone body armor will keep you above ground. All right, so you guys are probably wondering, why do they call it tombstone body armor? Well, if you look at it, it's shaped like a tombstone. But more importantly, if you wear it, so far, if you go back and watch some of our videos, we have a playlist of all of our crazy body armors. You'll see that, well, so far they haven't stopped anything, and you will be 6 feet under one. So that's why we call it tombstone for now. Hopefully it'll become something better. But anyways, enough talking. Let's see if Justin brought out the jorts, man. Haven't seen the jorts in a while. Ew, here we go.
Hello everybody. It's been quite a while since we've done a video. Haven't even shot a firearm since our last one. It's been a couple months. So it's good to be back out. Chris was excited to see I was actually wearing jorts. As the usual, first round we're shooting into our tombstone is the ceramic. So we'll see how this works out for us. Hey, look at that. All right, we got a hit. Thought it'd be a little rusty. Well, I am only 15 feet away, so.
All right, man, looks like we may have a job at RTS after all, Justin. Now those were loaded in low brass. Our friend John is gonna reload those in higher brass so we can get some more velocity out of those. But it only took the first layer of the epoxy out. Broke some of my teeth, man, but barely even made a ding on any of the ceramic here. And no bulge on the back whatsoever. Okay, now we're gonna get on to some heavy hitters, so here we go.
All right, let's try this Hornady polymer tipped, looks like a copper projectile. Looks pretty gnarly. Be a good hunting round, I would assume. What? What are you yelling at? Okay. Throwing me off, yelling at me. You're not my dad. Don't hit me in the face. Don't hit me in the face. Hey, we got some debris coming back, but... Hey, we got some debris coming back, but I'm good. You good?
I'm good.
Let's check it out.
That was pretty cool, man. Check that out. Just the little pieces of the jacket left in there. It did bust up some of our ceramic. That's not Edwin hot, so we're good there. Pretty cool, man. See the back? Oh, just a slight bulge. You would totally survive that with tombstone body armor, baby. Yeah, I'm telling you. RTS coming for you. Okay, on to, okay, this one's gonna hit hard, man. This should be about almost 1,700 feet per second, solid slug. Here we go.
Now we're gonna do the Black Aces Tactical, 1,640 feet per second with a 1 ounce slug. Probably should move back on this one, but that would be inconsistent data. All right, he's ready, I'm ready. Let's punch a hole in this thing, or not. Ooh, I got dusted, but I'm good. Ooh, I got dusted, but I'm good. I think we're good. Let's go check it out.
Something came zooming by me. I was like, ah! Hey, I gotta tell you, I'm more impressed with our joke of a body armor than I thought. So, hit right here, and all of these triangles look like this. And as you can see down in here, I packed them different ways, and then the next layer turned them, next layer turned them. And so far, this solid ceramic is doing really good. Hey, maybe we got some good idea for some tank armor here. All right, well, nothing on the back, just a tad. And that's probably had to be the fastest slug we got. Well, the next one's supposed to be an API round, and we're gonna find out together. Here we go.
Grass fire?
Yeah, nah, it's too green around here. We've had a lot of rain.
All right, we'll see.
Anyways, it's your place, not mine.
Oh, yeah. So far, our body armor is undefeated. We got a little special surprise for you at the end, though. So we were kind of impressed with our body armor, so I was like, well, let's throw something else at it. For giggles and craps, I guess. Good? All right. All right. Don't hit me in the face. Oh. I don't know where I hit, but I hit it. I don't know where I hit, but I hit it. Let's check it out.
There was a casualty of war here.
Did we smack one?
I think so. Look at the size of these dudes, man. Justin has these all over out here. They are some big old bugs. Dip them in chocolate, go to town.
That's my main protein source out here.
Probably is. All right, let's see where he hit. Well, I got to tell you, we're on to something here, Justin. We might have to make some more of this type of body armor because you hit in the same spot-ish as the first two, and it didn't even set the sparkle fart off. Those rounds are not that great anyways. But the back, oh man, who welded this? Oh yeah, I did. A little bit of a bulge here, but probably only give you some light bruising. Still be wheezing, but you'd be alive. That's awesome. I got to tell you, I'm impressed with this. We do have some more body armor. It's all roofing nails in there, so I'm really excited to see how that one is. Hopefully they won't fly back and stick Justin in the head. Well, we have got a surprise for you. We are going to see Justin made this crazy cannon, let's just say. It did the most damage to our RTS mini shield. It did more damage than the 308, the AK round, everything. So we're going to try it on this. Here we go.
All right, so this is our surprise. We brought the 500 Smith & Wesson again, and we're going to be shooting the 400 grain platinum tip hollow point. Obviously not with real platinum. but that's what they named it. So this did a lot of damage to the RTS plate. Let's see what it could do to this plate. I just got nervous on this one. Oh! Yeah, we got a hit. Yeah, we got a hit. Let's see if it went through.
Hey, well, you got to do an edge shot test on your body armor, right? It held up. Check it out, folks. Man, this stuff did some serious damage to the RTS plate. It didn't go through, but it didn't go through ours either. But that was an edge shot. So it sure did, because look right there, it hit and went up. So that was cool. Well, you know, since we're the Research and Destruction channel, we're going to shoot one more at it, see if Justin can hit somewhere more in the mass here, and see if it'll stop it. Here we go.
Since most YouTubers never zero their optics, neither do we. So I'm going to try to hit center mass this time, so I got to aim above the armor. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. I think we got a hit. Okay. I think we got a hit. Don't think I hit where you told me to.
Well, if you'd sight the dang rifle in.
Never.
Never. Well, let's see how he did this time. I can tell right now he didn't hit where I asked him to because, well, we never sight anything in on this channel. Why? But let's see if it held up, because it looked like it shattered every layer of ceramic I put in here. Hey, hey, we are on to something here, Justin. Now if we could just get the weight down. So not too bad, not too bad right there, side view. You can see some of our awesome work there, our welding, my welding, which, well, it sucks. But right here, big old deep cavity, all the way down to the bottom. But hey, we did pretty good here, brother. We finally had some body armor that stopped, well, a crazy rifle round. But all the shotgun slugs, and those are pretty good. We are gonna have to build another one of these and see how it holds up against some rifle rounds. It's obviously gonna hold up against pistol rounds. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let us know if you want to see this remade with some rifle rounds and which ones, and we will do it. If you guys like that rifle Justin built, pretty crazy. Again, that hit the hardest on the RTS mini shield. If you want to go back and check out the mini shield videos, you'll see that thing hit hard. Would you guys like to see a video on it? If so, comment below. Let us know what you guys want to see us shoot with that bad boy, or if we can get some other rounds for it, we'll do it. Some more, I guess, some solid rounds instead of hollow points and stuff like that. We will shoot it. So let us know in the comments below. Man, it's good to be back. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back.